Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are talking about how to use sum and any. Sum and any are used to state the quantity or the amount of something, and for not having the exact number stated, they are considered to be quantifiers. So sum and any can be used when the exact number is not known, the exact number is not important or relevant, and when mentioning countable and uncountable nouns. Take a look at these examples. In an interrogative sentence, we will have, are there any eggs in the fridge? And the answer is yes, there are some. You can see here that we're using any in an interrogative sentence. And yes comes for the positive answer. Or maybe the answer could be, no, there aren't any, and that's a negative answer. Other example, is there any orange juice? Yes, there is some, which is an affirmative sentence, or no, there isn't any, which is a negative sentence. We can also use some and any when it comes to make requests. For example, would you mind lending me some money? And the answer here would be, of course, here you are. This sentence shows us that it is possible to use some when it comes to make a request. And that way, the sentence is not a question, but it turns to be a demand. Another example, can I borrow some money? Which is a positive sentence. Yes, you can. It's a possible answer too. Now, when offering things or a task with the expectation of having an answer yes, for example, would you like some milk? Which is a positive sentence, and the possible answer is yes, I would. Now we will see what rules apply to some and any. First of all, some is used in positive, affirmative sentences, and both for countable and uncountable nouns. For example, some people in my school like jazz. Here, countable, we have people that is countable. We can use some in this case. Or I have some friends. Okay, friend is countable. I like some water, and water is uncountable. And the last one, there was some snow here last winter, and snow is also uncountable. Secondly, any can be used in interrogative and negative sentences, also for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I don't have any friend, and friends is countable. Have you got any cheese? Cheese is countable, of course. Is there any water? Of course, water is not countable or uncountable. He hasn't got any rice at home, with rice, which is also uncountable. When you know how to use some and any, it definitely applies to all its compounds. For example, something, I have something in my eyes. With anything, is there anything in your pocket? Or anyone, is there anyone at home? Somewhere, I went somewhere to take work. And in this case here, we can see that any and some are used in the same, with the same definition we gave them before, but here they are applying to certain things, like to a person or to a thing or to a place, with the same definition used with some and any. Of course, there are some other compounds of some and any which are used with the same consideration as for some and any. For example, somehow, anyhow, someone, anywhere. We had somewhere already. And well, sure, if you find more than that, try to understand the meaning, and they are probably going to go the same way as for some and any. Well, thank you for watching again, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.